Welcome everyone! Here is how to use the action button in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we first need to program the button. We do this by opening up our settings. Then scroll down and I want you to select the action button option. And then in here, just slide across and select what action you want the action button to perform. So I've chosen silent mode here, and then how it works is regardless what action you chose, we just need to long press. So press and hold the action button and then release, press and hold, and then you can release when the action in question has been performed, just like that. Now real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.